Hello and welcome to Phoenix Focus Studio. My name is Orshi, aka Rocky, and today I'm going to talk about and explain to you how to sing powerful and effortless the easiest way as possible. So, let's do this. I like to explain everything easy and simple. Why is that? Because it's all about what you believe. If you believe something is difficult, it's going to be difficult. If you believe something is easy, then it's going to be easy. That's it, period. It's very simple. So, the power doesn't come with volume. It doesn't come with any physical effort or physical strength. Nothing. It's nothing like that. It's all about projection. So to understand the projection, I like to use one of my favorite example, which is Bruce Lee's 1-inch punch. Are you familiar with that? If you are not, let me explain what's happening. So basically, Bruce Lee, the Kung Fu guy, had a move called 1-inch punch, which means that basically he hits someone with a fist, like from 1 inch away. And when he hit this guy, the guy just flew away, like, and obviously that was very close. So the question is, how did he do it? What he did, projected the energy to one point, then released it. And that created the power. Same thing when you sing powerful. All you need to do is projecting the sound into one point. First of all, you need to focus on the third eye. That's why you need to focus. We are never here. We're never in the throat. We're always up there. We always need to raise the placement up there. So inside the oral cavity, there is a spot. If you hit, that's why you need to, focus your sound. You release, and it's going to be loud. That's how it happens. That's all you need to learn. If you're able to learn that, you can sing as powerful without any effort. Let me demonstrate. Hey! Yeah, that was it. So obviously I didn't die for the note. I didn't feel any kind of, physical strength or tension, nothing. It was all about just projecting the sound to the right spot and release the energy. And that's it. That's how easy and simple. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn how to sing the way you desire, then please click on the link below and watch my free masterclass. Or if you're interested in taking lessons, then go to my website to book straight away. So either way, see you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you.